Well, going people, thanks for following back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself, you don't know. So first thing on the news right now, people, let's go run right into the news when I itch. Jamaica under one tropical storm watch. That means that over the weekend, yeah, them say a bag of rain and beer things are going to go on. Bag of excitement again in a Jamaica. Now, me know so if it's summer on the way in a Jamaica, that don't mean a thing. When you hear say Jamaica and a tropical storm watch, on the kiss in the teeth, and on the go back about on the business. Like nothing never happened. Summer on the business, but on the rain and the... Hold on. Yo. You want me there, brother? You my bag him run to them man 4 o'clock same time, nothing different.
Bruh.
What mean about rain? Brother, look how much time we have to rain I go fall on the rain. Sorry about that, people. Sorry about that. As me there say, some of you have no care in the world or regard for storm and for rain and them things. Just I continue about on a merry way, on a regular business as normal for some of you. No, because we are Pattern News Network and we are responsible people around here, so. Be responsible people there, so. Right, producer? We make sure put together something called the PNN Storm Tips. Now we have 4 tips we want to follow whenever you hear say one storm or one hurricane a forward. First tip, when you left the road. Now we know say some of you love the excitement. As when you hear say little rain a forward, little storm a forward, you have to out the door with no phone, you have to out there dive in the water with jet ski, all manner of evil. We are begging you, turn on the yard. For 2 reasons. First reason, you see because some of we are late shoppers, we want to make sure that the road clear when we are going about the business for little shopping, we are buying for little things. Because some of we are going to wait last minute, very last before we buy now, because we're not going to waste a little money we have. So we are begging you, just free up the road so we can go about for business to buy what we need to buy because we have eyeglass. Second reason, we don't see if no board or no zinc or no piece of black fly off on nobody's house and clad to... Sorry, to fix that. Sorry, producer. Who know see if any block or zinc or piece of board flews off of anybody's house and slap on the next string, you can't call nobody name, you can't ball off it, take it. Don't ball to Andrew, don't ball to him and say, zinc licking your neck back. And now you're injured. Don't call the ambulance, don't call the police. Because the emergency people might go about them business and do them thing what them need to do. Don't give them the extra work to do because you're an idiot. So we are begging you, turn on the yard. That's a tip number 1. Tip number 2. Now, as we said before, I know I love the excitement and I love the last minute rush and them thing there. Nobody pack up in the supermarket and the wholesale them and price mart and them place there. I buy up what you can't afford. You know why? We're not stuck with the thin things them per Monday morning because no rain never fall. I go ball and say the weather report did wrong and did this and did that. Every year they do the same thing. Don't buy what you cannot afford and do not overbuy. Buy like say you go down on the house for the weekend. Buy little snacks them, picnic there in the yard and buy little snacks them for them and them thing there if places don't open. But if you don't feel so inclined, figure buy the bag of mackerel and bully beef and sardine and them thing there. If you don't left with it Monday morning, PNN right here will collect all of them and put them to good use. Third tip. Now we know say you love on the IG, on the TikTok, on the YouTube and them thing there, and the scroll for hours, on the battery and them thing there. Lego that for the weekend. Lego that. You know why we say so? You know say as one lightning strike and little rain start falling, GPS I got cut off your light. Even though them say them I go out there this storm drop, you know say as 2 pieces of lightning strike, GPS just I go so vroom. Done right there so. Lego the bag of IG and them thing there for your weekend. You don't need it. Use the phone them for flashlight and them stuff there because you're not gonna need it if the rain start fall. Remember we did one, Tip number 4. Now for the people who live down in the valley, you know the ships already. You know say the flooding thing is a possibility. So we are beginning from now. Just fling up the thing them pan the black them. Fling up everything. Fling up the bed, fling up the chester jar, fling up the TV, fling up the whatnot, pan the black them from early. Put up the little valuable, sit them in a the Ziploc bag and the scandal bag if you can find on, and a rubbish bag and them thing there. If you don't know say you live in the valley and pan the gully bank and pan the river bank, make sure to do that. And for the people when I come here to want to know say every day all of that turn up on the window and go so and fling things in the gully, make sure say when water start rise and come over and a place no ball to nobody because I clog up the gully them. We are begging you, do not do it. We know this is 40, but we are Pattern News Network, so we are going to brata. That tip you have for the driver them. The driver them will love go up on the road. We don't care when they say it can't swim. We are begging, let me road alone. Because you see the people who do the last minute shopping, we make sure so them wait until them hear say the storm reach before they go up on the road. We don't want, we don't cause an obstruction on the road for we, not we, for the people them. We don't want, we not stop them flow. Because when you break down on the road, we not stop the people them flow. So we are begging you. For the man them we feel like say, you can brave every waters. And you know say, you car cannot swim. You car a dry land car. Nobody try play a hero. Left your car at your yard. Next thing on the news right now, we want to give you a little update about the sign down on Negril. Now, one of our very consistent viewers did call in and make we know say, we did correct something what we did talk about the last time we talked about the sign, the zinc fence sign down on Negril. Now, them make we know say, is the TEF, PF the sign, that are the Tourism Enhancement Fund. Now, we didn't know that from a long time. We know so never government pay for it. The problem we have is the amount of money we pay for the sign. Because that the money there could have used for actually work on the road. Figure down on Negril. Matter of fact, the money they could have do more something for the community surrounding Negril and in Negril as well. What we at Pattern News Network say is that it's bad money management. But talking about storm and them thing there. If the storm reach Jamaica, we want to reach out to the people down on Negril, to the viewers. If we have some viewers down Negril, we are begging you. When the storm pass, we want you to go by the sign and do some videos and them thing there. Take some picture and them thing there and send them in to the Pattern News Network. Send it in to a Facebook page and also send the video them to a IG and them thing there. If we not go out there and do some video, send them in to it. Oh no, we ask, we at Pattern News Network have a very strong feeling that if this storm supposed to pass, like how them say it go pass, and it go on the side of the island, we not think this sign I go survive. We feel like about $6 million I go chop off a sign. Or a couple of the zinc we nailed together, I go open up. So we are going to ask you, if you don't see anything like that, go down to the sign and take some videos and send to us at Pattern News Network so we can lavish and talk about the foolishness. We are begging you. That's time for the news in the people, but we are open over here on the Pattern News Network that you know have a wonderful and rain-free weekend. That you know house does not flood out, that you know roof does not blow off, and that you know have a wonderful time over this weekend. We just want to tell you thanks so far to the Pattern News Network, the baddest news network on the planet. Big up on yourself. You're done.